Welcome to GrumpyMan's Reviews. Today we're looking at the 1MORE ComfoBuds Pro True Wireless earphones. I have the white ones here. They are also available in black. I will link them down below if you want to pick these up. If you download the 1MORE Music app, which is available on the App Store and Google Play, you can customize the touch functions and select noise cancelling modes. Before we start, if you find the video useful, a like would be appreciated. Any questions, ask me in the comment section below. Subscribe to watch more reviews. Before we have a closer look at the earbuds, I just wanted to show you the case. It's a good quality case. This, you could tell a lot of time and effort has gone into it. On this side it has the branding. On this side is giving us some information. 28 hours playtime, but that's without using ANC. If you use ANC, you get 20 hours. Pass-through mode for ambient sounds. Auto pause play. As soon as you take them out of your ear, they will pause. When you put them back in, they will start playing again. And Bluetooth, of course. They won an award, CES 2021. Information at the back. If you open it, it has some information there. So these have a fast charge feature. 15 minutes of charging will give you 2 hours of playtime. And some more information there. This is what was included inside the box. We get an instruction booklet. It's in different languages. A 1MORE sticker. QR code for warranty purposes, a drawstring pouch with some branding on, it's in white, a Type-C charging cable. You get 3 sets of extra ear tips. The ones that are on the earphones, they are a medium size, they fit me, so I did not need to change them. Moving on to the case. The case is a nice compact size. It will fit nicely inside a pocket, unless you're wearing skinny jeans, then it will stick out of it. The case has a 450 mAh battery and it gives a 20-hour charge time. Some branding there. Charging indicator at the front. Information at the bottom there. The back Type-C port. It takes 2 hours to charge. It says 1MORE, hear more. It's got some moulding in there. So the quickest way to take the earphones out is push on the stem and they'd come out. Because you can't take them out that way, but they're a bit fiddly. Contact points there, and just letting us know that left and right. They're nice and light. They sit comfortably in the ear canal. I like the way the tips go red and blue. They're paired to each other. As soon as you take them out of the case, they're paired to each other, and then they look for the phone, and then they'll remember the phone as well. So next time you use them, if your phone Bluetooth is on, they will automatically pair. They are Bluetooth 5.0. I like the way the stem comes down on the ear. It's got red there. 2 contact points. We get 6 noise cancelling mics, 13.4mm drivers. If I just take this off, the red there as well. I do really like the colours on these. That's what that looks like from there. You could see how much padding there is on there. Just push the ear tip back on. We get 4 ANC modes. By default, it's on ANC strong. That reduces noise up to 40 decibels. We get ANC mild, wind noise resistant mode, transparency mode, and then ANC off. If you listen to them without ANC, you get 8 hours runtime. With ANC, you get 6 hours runtime. But that depends on how loud you have the music. They have Bluetooth 5.0, and thanks to Bluetooth 5.0, audio video sync is perfect. Answering phone calls, I could hear the other person could hear me crystal clear. They're really comfortable in the ear. I've had these in my ear for 2 hours straight. I didn't get any ear pain. Using the touch feature is nice and smooth as well. You don't hear any overly awkward clicking. In terms of the sound, any type of music you listen to, I've listened to loads of different types of music. The audio is nice and pleasant, no hissing or humming. You can really tell the low, mids and the highs. They have decent bass. ANC works really well. I was surprised at that because normally this size earphones or earbuds, the ANC doesn't work that good, or bass, but in both cases, bass and ANC has been perfect. Battery life has been great, but as I mentioned before, that depends on how loud you're listening to them. I had them at about 50% and they've been working perfect for me. As soon as you put them back into the case, they switch off and they'll start charging. I think 1MORE have done a great job. I really like these earphones. I could recommend them. I'll link them down below if you want to pick them up. Any questions, ask me in the comment section below. If the video was useful to you, give it a like and subscribe to watch more reviews. Thank you very much for watching. I'll see you in my next video.